Hello and welcome to an HLA Snow video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be installing the floating hinge indicator. The first step when removing the indicator kit from the shipping position is to remove the two 1/2-inch bolts at the bottom of the mount frame with a 3/4 inch wrench and impact driver. This will release the bracket and the motion indicator plate from the mount frame, allowing it to be installed on the other side of the mount. Collect the motion indicator plate, bracket, and hardware and move to the other side of the mount frame. On the other side of the mount, begin to remove the bushing off the bolt and insert through the top hole of the bracket. Once the bushing is in behind, insert the bolt through the top hole in the frame and begin to fasten the nut on the back side by hand. This will stabilize the bracket for the next step. Next, using an impact driver, remove the small bolt and the hardware from the bottom of the red indicator needle. Take the motion indicator plate and slide it up behind the bracket. Remove the bushing from the second bolt and insert it through the lower hole in the main bracket so that the motion indicator plate can move freely. Take the remaining small bolt and put the biggest bushing on first, followed by the smaller bushing. Insert through the bottom of the main indicator needle and the front hole of the motion indicator plate. Ensure all the hardware is tightened and begin to test the mechanism by rocking the mount frame back and forth. If the indicator is working correctly, the install is complete. For more information on this product or others, visit us at hlasnow.com.